People, for example, say I'm doing a mind course or something, some kind of deal there, and more than once to say, well, I'll do two different things. I'll say something, using a word, and they'll say, well, could I use this word instead? Because, I feel more comfortable with this word. And I would say, what do you think I would say?
No.
That's right. Of course. You see? Why? Yeah, it's the very same deal, you see? You're comfortable? Don't use it. See, it's better to be uncomfortable. I'm trying to get you to grasp something new, not what's familiar. You see? So if the word irritates you, good, good, good. It's more valuable than one that you like. Do you understand? One time Wong told me, he says, you have to understand cruelty. Did I tell you this one? Mm. You have to understand cruelty. See? And I'm going, oh no, what? You must have got the wrong word. So he grabbed out the dictionary and said, yeah, no, that's right. That's the word. You're kidding me. See? And it was, my belief, I was like, a hippie. Okay? Then you say, no, cruelty? No. Kumbaya, come on. You don't go down that road. And, but see, that created a lot of value. Huge amounts of value, eventually. When I got what cruelty actually is, and the ability to use it. See? It's like, oh, okay, that's a different matter. See? If I had liked it, I mean, say I was like, an asshole and I love being cruel, and he says, get a cruelty. Yeah. Okay. I wouldn't have learned anything, right? See? Yeah, cruelty. God, yeah. Let me go, stick pins in hamsters or something. See? But I wouldn't have gotten anything because would have been my belief system, right? See, what I've already got, you see? See, the fact that it bothered me, I got something. See? Now, for the guy who likes to stick, knives into hamster, you say, no, you have to be loving, kind. See, that's going to be hard for him, right? See? That'll irritate the shit out of him. See, that'd be much more valuable. Yeah. And then the other one was, say Joe, say I would use words, distinctions, and talk about shit like that. And he learns, this year and next, few years, doing that, and then I would change it. And he gets so irritated. No, you can't change it. You can't change the word. This is the word. This is it. I say, well, no, I can, and I did it for the very reason why you're bothered by it. See, you get stuck on the concept. You got stuck on the routine. I now know this, right? It's this way and this way and this way, and I got it nailed down. No. See, now we shake it up. I do it a different way, go at it differently. Say, okay, cool. You understand this? It's not the word. See, it's the experience.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.